Okay, so once you are able to log in here, ito makikita mo, ito yung WordPress dashboard. So the next step, this is how you edit your or customize your pages. So you go here sa pages mo, then pagka-click mo dyan, you can see all of your pages here. No? So starting with your home page, edit with Elementor ka lang. Once you go with edit with Elementor, this is where you can edit visually yung website mo or yung page na yan, yung home page. Okay, so you see here your template. This is called WYSIWYG. No? What you see is what you get. Basically, you just need to click on a widget and then you'll be able to edit here sa left side. So example ito, we will change it to another name, no, Juan de la Cruz. And that's how to edit no the different widgets of your page, and then click ka lang ng publish. Okay? If you want to change the image, you just click on the image and then choose image ka dito and then mag-upload ka ng bagong image. Okay, once you have that, i-upload mo lang, i-save mo, and then you can go here sa mga different elements, different widgets. Click mo lang, you can edit. No? You can edit everything. And here, if you want to change the background photo, click ka lang dito sa 6 dots. And then go sa style, and then change the background photo here. Okay, you can click that and then upload another photo. And then here, lahat ng ito, if you want to change this, click ka lang dito, add images here. Okay, you can just click that, edit. Ito yung gallery section. Gallery section. Okay, that's how you edit no mga different elements of your or widgets of your page.